Hey friends, I hope you're doing well. I wanted to take a few minutes and go over our spelling words for this week. Our spelling pattern this week is the ow sound. And this pattern actually can be spelled two different ways. And we're going to have words with ow in it this week and next week. There are two ways that we can spell the ow sound. One of those ways is with an O-W, ow. The other way is with an O-U. They both say ow. They both make the ow sound. I have a cute little poem to share with you, and it's called Ow. It says, O and W went out to play. Ow! They ran and jumped and hopped all day. But W was rough and pushed O down. Ow, said O with a little frown. And then you see the word frown with our O-W, frown. O asked U if he could play. They ran and jumped and hopped all day. But U was rough like W. Ow, said O. I can't play with you. So again, here, there's that ow with O-U. And ow with O-W. They both say ow, ow. Right? So that O, when he's with W or with you, he's hurt. He says ow. Okay. This week, our pattern, we're just going to be having O-W words, but we're going to be working with both O-W and O-U words this week and next week. But for our spelling words, we're just going to have O-W, ow words. Okay, our first word is the word how. How are you doing? Ha. Ow. Ow. How. Okay. Next we have the word down. D. And then we have ow sound. N. D. Ow. N. Right? So we see our O-W here that's saying ow. And there's the ow. D. Ow, ow. And then we have the word brown. Like the color. The brown dog jumped on me. We have the BR saying bruh. And then our OW says ow. And then our n at the end. Brown. Next we have the word clown. Clown, it rhymes with brown. But we have a different blend at the beginning. Instead of bruh, we're looking for the cl. And we know that cl is CL. And then we're going to have our ow sound. And then n at the end. Clown. And then we have the word crowd. Crowd. The crowd gathered to see the parade. Crowd. Cr. Ow. D. Crowd. Right? So you notice that they have, all of these have the O-W saying the ow sound. Next we have the word town. T. Ow. N. I went into town to go get some groceries. Town. Okay. Next we have the word now. Now. I want to have my cake now. N. Ow. Now. And then we have cow. Also, that rhymes with how, now, cow. They all rhyme, right? Because they all have that same sound. So now we have the word cow. K. Ow. Right? And then we have frown. I was so sad, and everybody could tell because I just couldn't hide my frown. Frown. Fr is our FR blend. And then ow. N. Frown. Good. And then we have the word growl. I heard the dog growl at me. So gr. There's our blend. GR. And then our ow sound. And then growl. L. Good. And you'll notice in these, they all have our OW saying ow, 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 ow. So those are our spelling words for the week, and that's our pattern, our ow, ow. But remember, ow can be spelled with both O-U and O-W. Okay, now we're going to look into our reading books. And if you don't have your book, just pause this video, go grab yours, and then come back and unpause, and you can go from there. I'm just erasing my board here. Okay, and we are on page 14 and 15, and we're looking at this picture. Okay, because in this picture, I want to look for some words that have the ow sound. So look at your book and see if you can find any. There's lots of them in here. I'm just going to just a little bit. Okay. I see. What are those right up there? Those are flowers. Ow, ow. Flowers. Oh, we have the word flower up there. See any other ones? I see these big, tall mountains. Mountains. So here's an example of one that does not have an O-W. M-ow. What letters are making the ow sound here? Right. It's O-U this time. That's an example of our O-U, ow sound. Mountain. See any other ones? Right up, yep, right up near those mountains I see a cloud. 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 And again, you see that what's making the ow sound? O-U in this word, right? Not the O-W, cloud. So this one is another O-U one. I also see that there's people in their house, and gathered outside of their house is a whole bunch of people. And when we have a whole bunch of people, we say that that's a crowd. Crowd. I hear ow in that word, and we know that that's one of our spelling words, and that's an O-W, making the ow sound. Okay. And I'm looking at this guy's face, and he looks like a crazy person, and his mouth is wide open. His mouth, ow, ow, right? So mouth, mouth, and that's an O-U, right? Making that ow sound. And then I see these people, and they're in something. They're in their house. Now, house is another example of O-U saying ow. Okay? And I'm looking, oh, look, Mom made pancakes. And she looks very proud of herself. I think Mom looks very proud. And proud is another word that has our ow sound. Proud. Again, there's another O-U one. So lots of O-U ones in here. And I also see over here in this corner, that little guy, that little mouse. Mouse. Mouse rhymes with house, and it's spelled the same too, right? Except we changed the beginning letter. So we have mouse. We have our O-U. Can you find any other ones in there? Let me know if you can find any other ow words. Right? Because I found all these ones, but I'm sure there's probably more. And you'll notice, too, that they are not all spelled the same. We have our O-U ones. Flower is an O-W. Mouth is an O-U. Crowd is an O-W. Mountain is an O-U. So lots of O-U ones here. Cloud is an O-U. Right? So we have a mix here. I found 6 ow, O-U words, and only 2 O-W words. So maybe the ones that you find will have O-W. Let me know what you end up finding.